Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National Health Mission jong ka jilla kala rakhe ka World Tuberculosis Day mentakasngi ka khat khandai trik uluber arjar arpusau halor ka phang pedeng ka baong yes we can end TB bala penyaj da ka CNDST lab RPHS Hospital Shillong hagani ka sngi dan rengkat Kumar IAS Ubadairu Director Ketenat NHM but Secretary of Health and Family Welfare Dr. F.V. Karshiying, DHS, MCH and FW, come join Managing Director NHM Meghalaya, Dr. J. Kharwan Lang, State Tuberculosis Officer, but Dr. B. Shanpru, District TB Officer, East Khasi Hills. Harangkat kejingan lang kinong tere jong ka RPHS Hospital, but kiway. Haba ajing keren hekri kaskina kalyang uram kumar ulong, baka jela bat karihi barok kaway kalapet bat kmi benya bha ban penduk no ye kene kejat Jingpang bat kumjuru ban tes ya barok kibayo ye kene ke Jingpang khnang ban la ban ai ke jing Sumar yaki ulong ru baka Jingpang TB kare ke Jingpang kabala ban Pynkoit bat kibayo ye kene ke Jingpang kide ban Shimkhia ban Phah Sumar ulaban juru da kabaong badai bandon kilat jing Sumar ha kishnong nong kindong bad ukhot uweru iki nong pet iki kishnong ki thau halor ka kot ka khia kirukom Sumar tenrai bad kiwei bagi dai banyak trailang khnang ba ka ri India jongi kan latno phar na ka jing sapriang jong ka Jingpang TB ka CNDST lab kala penlong ye ka program kum shibenta ban ai ka jingya da bad ban pensngotho ha karukom Sumar ye ka Jingpang ka National Tuberculosis Elimination Program kalapan benaru bakalabu ikitiar ajing Sumar kum ki dawai haman ki jaka hapo ka jela kenang ban pensuk ye ki padba ki badon kam ya ke jing Sumar.
No, we'll take two of you. Okay, you can come two of you. From the national level, from the state level, we have had very clear vision that we need to end TB in a comprehensive manner in the country, and for that whatever steps we need to take we'll have to take. This is a disease which is this is the oldest disease known to humankind, which since documented history we have had things about disease which Dr. Amika already mentioned, and we need to ensure that these we have sufficient systems in place to address this disease. Now, when actually COVID happened, we actually found out that was the initial times when I had actually joined as mission director. In fact, there is one more occasion. This is exactly the 4th year I took over as MD NHM. 19th March 2020, I had taken charge as mission director during COVID times. And when we were trying to understand COVID and how it functions and everything, it was quite strange that someone said that it is like TB. You have to, if you know the person, you have to do contact tracing. You have to find out who are the high risk contacts. You have to do susceptibility testing. You have to do presumptive testing for them. You have to isolate them. That is how you cure it. Then I said like that. Why does TB not get this much of attention which it's supposed to get? Because this is one bacteria which is evolving along with humankind, and sometimes much more stronger. Where we might have situations where we will not be able to save people. So it's very important that we have enough systems. One of the reasons why the enough attention it sometimes doesn't get from the right stakeholders is it is also a kind of it used to be, it's not anymore, it also used to be a kind of a poor man's disease. Where there is a lot of crowding, where there is a lot of susceptibility to transmission, where there is people do not have enough private spaces to live. That is where the spreading is faster, that is where the spreading is higher. But today, those things have gone that it is not anymore a poor person's disease at all. It can come to anyone. It can come to anyone. Most of you are working in hospitals or know about it much more in detail than I do. You can go to a hospital, any hospital, and there is chances if the hospital doesn't have enough infection control mechanisms or anything, we can catch this MDR TB even from water source, other sources, and etc. It is a very, very serious issue. So we need to have constant awareness, constant systematic steps to tackle this issue. Now, 2-3 things are very important is what I feel. One, in TB, we need to demystify this disease even further in a language that communities understand. That is why the TB Mukt, TB Free Village Panchayat or Villages program has started. We are already there, about 250 villages will get the TB Free Village status. But people have to understand TB in much more simplified manner. Until that, it would be very difficult for us to take this as a public health movement. This is such an important task. So the main challenge is to demystifying it and telling people that it is serious. If someone at home have had TB, we need to be, because this has a long dormant period. It can be there in body for 10 years, 15 years. It will not manifest immediately. After that, it will manifest. And TB can be cured. That is also something which we need to know with the proper treatment regimen. The treatment continuity has to be there, and it has to be made this proper treatment is possible to do until we take it systematically and do that.